In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create approval task in Asana project. We'll walk through signing in, creating the approval inside the right project, and setting the correct owner and deadline so decisions happen on time and nothing slips through the cracks. First, head to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. If your browser is already logged into Google, you'll see your account chooser. Select the correct account and follow any prompts to finish logging in. After signing in, Asana will land you on Home or your most recent workspace. If you work across multiple organizations, confirm you're in the right workspace by checking the top left workspace selector. Next, open the project where this approval belongs. Keeping approvals inside the relevant project keeps conversation, files, and status in one place. If you don't see the project immediately, use the sidebar or the search bar to find it. In the project's list view, look near the Add Task button. Click the small arrow or More Actions control beside it, then choose Approval. This creates a special task type built for decisions, with clear outcomes like approved, changes requested, or rejected. So status is unambiguous at a glance. Give your new approval a clear, specific name. Include what's being reviewed and any version, date, or milestone so it's easy to find later. Consistent naming conventions make reporting and search much faster for everyone. After naming it, click the task to open the Details panel on the right. This panel is command central for the approval and shows fields, activity, and any context your team adds. Set the assignee. The assignee should be the actual decision maker, the person who will approve or request changes. Assigning a single owner avoids ambiguity and ensures accountability. As soon as you assign them, Asana notifies that person so they know it's their turn to act. Now set the due date for the approval. Pick a realistic deadline that aligns with your project timeline and any downstream tasks that depend on this decision. Due dates trigger reminders and help the team manage expectations. If timing is tight, communicate that in the task name or description so it's visible in list view too. That's it. The approval task is created, assigned, and scheduled. From here, the reviewer can open the task, review the context, and choose the outcome when they're done. Using approval tasks this way provides a single source of truth, clear ownership, and predictable timelines, making your workflows more reliable and easier to track. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you create your own approval in Asana.